ahead. This is Sir. But before we start, I just need to introduce you to the what you call it? The
SLC?
no, the list for the whole days. So never mind. I'll leave that for later.
Or do you need to get onto it?
No, I'll leave it. So never mind some stuff that. So let's start with literacy. For literacy, which is the ability to read and write. In my opinion, technically reading and writing together. In reading, this term we've been reading the BFG ever since last week. The Call of the Wind was last term, and now we started SSR, which is silent sustained reading. For writing, we've been what's it called? It's called The Night I Had a Fight with the Omis Tooth Fairy, and Mrs. Madden over there who introduced us to it. We had free choice writing and speeches, obviously from last term. But for the Tooth Fairy story thing, there was a Tooth Fairy, it came to this boy, but what we had to do, the whole 2 classes, we had to change it up and give it a different different
perspective.
Yeah, that you can make the Tooth Fairy evil, you can make it a boy, you can make it a girl, you can make it a trans if you want. But yeah,
Cool.
For maths, I was too lazy to do anything, but
I'll be positive.
so over here is a maths grid. Those are just the timetables that I'm learning for 15th and 14th, because the teachers told us we have to learn up to 15. But yeah, I still suck at it. But simplifying fractions, if it was 5 quarters, then it will be 1 whole and 1 quarter left. Because for one whole fits into. Wait, how did? Because there are 4 quarters in 1 whole, so then you have 1 whole there, and you have 1 left, so it's 1 and 1 quarter. Adding and subtracting integers, which was decimals, was it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, decimals. That's a decimal right there. So 0.325 take away 0.324, it'll be 0.0001.
That's right.
Yeah, so like that for maths.
Do you remember the place? I'm going to put you on the spot. Do you remember the place values of these things?
Yeah, the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousands.
Very good. Yeah. So if you were going to say, like you said, you gave us an example of 0.325, take away 0.324.
Yeah.
You said it was 0.001, which is right. How else could you say that? Think about the place value.
1
Yeah.
thousand.
Very good. No, you've got it.
Is it 1/1000?
No, it's just 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understanding
Was that all we did for maths?
the placement.
Oh, we did a whole bunch of strategies.
Oh yeah, strategies.
Addition, subtraction strategies. We did a whole bunch of fractions.
Oh yeah, and
Additions.
factors. Did we do factors? Okay, no, we didn't.
Yeah, we might have.
And we also rounding. We did rounding.
Yeah.
Oh wait. My next step in maths is I have to figure out something in estimation.
Oh, okay, good. So you estimate first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Oh yeah. For literacy, reading and writing, it was like skim and scam and reading to find important information, and for writing it was to use bigger and stronger words to improve my writing. For RE, events in RE, we had Stations of the Cross. I think you guys weren't there. Pentecost, which was last term.
Yep.
And we did just this term. We started last week, was it? Last week. We had to do it on our patron saint for this school, Mary MacKillop, Saint Mary MacKillop, and we had to because there's a book with questions at the end and we had, answered all those questions, and how many siblings did Mary McKillop have? Where was her parents born? Scotland. 3 sisters and 4 brothers. But yeah, I had no idea what they meant, and I still don't. Nah, jokes.
What meant?
What these meant?
What's these meant?
The Stations of the Cross, all the stations, 14 stations, and
Seems like you know to
incidents
me.
of Jesus's time. I had to search that up. Okay, Pentecost, the Christian festival celebrating the descent of the Holy Spirit on the disciples of Jesus after his ascension, held on the 7th Sunday after Easter. And then Mary Helen McKillop is the students for Saint. So yeah. Questions? You got any questions, Dad?